For anyone who's been stuck trying to get Discord to stop loading and just open, today I'm going to show you guys how to do a quick fix. So this is going to make us essentially freshly install Discord. So the first thing you're going to want to do is send me your credit card details. So the first thing we're going to do is make sure that Discord is not running anywhere. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into our task manager by right clicking on the taskbar. And in here, we're just going to search, scroll down until you find Discord. You're going to right click and you're going to end task. Once you've made sure that Discord is not running, what we're going to do is we are going to uninstall Discord. So we're going to do this. We're just going to press the Windows button. We're going to type in uninstall and we should get add or remove programs. We're going to open this up. You're going to just scroll down until you find Discord. I've scrolled too far. Uninstall. Okay, I was half expecting it to ask me, are you really sure you want to uninstall Discord or something like that, but I was not given a prompt like that. But either way, as you guys can see, Discord is now removed from the PC. The next thing we are going to do is we are going to press the Windows button and R on the keyboard. After we do that, you are going to type in %appdata% and you are going to click OK. After you've done that, you should see Discord pop up right here. So we are going to delete this folder, and what that's going to allow us to do is basically completely wipe out Discord from the computer so that it reinstalls fresh without any traces of being on the computer before. So now what you guys can do, this is optional, but I would like to restart my PC at this point, so go ahead and quickly do a restart. After restarting your PC, we can just go ahead and download Discord again, and we can reinstall it, and this time it should install as if it were never on the PC before, and it should wipe out any errors that you may have had. I hope this helps you guys. It helped me, it helped a few of my friends, and I hope you have a lovely day.